Generally can't believe Mattel are actually limiting new releases to just one a year. I remember back in even 2018, we still got about 40 new cars. Even 2021 was peak for cars. We got about 50 or 60 different cars. I mean, yes, obviously new ones and obviously expanded universe, but now it just seems Mattel are doing just expanded universe stuff. Race and rescue, race to celebrate. We also have the light ups, which is obviously race to celebrate as well, I believe. And then we just have the celebration 20th anniversary cars as well. It's just a bunch of cars we don't really need, but it would be cool just to get basic releases. Anyways, 48 seconds is long enough. Welcome back, guys, to another video. Today we'll be taking a close look at the 2-pack of headset Crew Chief Lightning McQueen, Cars 3 Lightning McQueen with headset, that's just what I'm going to call him, and Cruz Ramirez. I got these from Get Me Collectibles in the Case F unboxing, which will probably be tomorrow on the channel because I just really wanted to get this video out. And yeah, obviously this case comes with two of them. This one came very badly damaged. It has a massive crease here, so we will be opening the one on the right. But yeah, there is two in the case, so I didn't go out. And yeah, one of them is a lot better packaged than the other, so that is for sure good to, you know, the good one is to keep packaged and this one is to open, so that is really good. But yeah, you can see here the artwork for Cars 3 Lightning McQueen with headset, which is enlarged compared to other artworks, and he does have a different expression to the diecast, as we can see right here. We also have Rust-Eze Cruz. It would have been so much better if they added the race damage Cruz Ramirez, the track damage Cruz, than the regular Cruz. It just would have made more sense. I mean, yes, Cruz is, you know, in the race as well in a regular 95 paint job, but the track damage one would have made a little bit more sense. Yep, you can see here the name, headset Crew Chief Lightning McQueen, in a bunch of different languages, and Rust-Eze Cruz Ramirez in just English, Mexican. That's because I believe it is a Mexican sort of name, but although it is missing the asterisk, I believe it is, over the I or the R there. Very strange for sure. And on the back of the packaging we have the, you know, image of Lightning McQueen. So I'm going to zoom in for you guys. If you want to, feel free to screenshot. There you go. And obviously the two together. And then here is Jim Beverick and a Spiky Phillips. And we can see as seen in Cars 3, which is actually correct and made in China. So yeah, very interesting stuff. And obviously here is the other one. So I'm now going to open this one up and I'll be right back in just a few seconds. Okay, this is incredibly cool. Lightning McQueen and Cruz, obviously Cars 3 McQueen with headset, and Cruz has a new expression. We'll get into that in a few minutes, but we've got to take a close look at McQueen with headset first. Just how cool he is. I mean, that expression. Mattel, you absolutely cooked with this one. This is definitely the best release of 2026 without a doubt. We've been wanting this one for 9 years now. Pretty much 8, but, you know, 9 years since Cars 3 came out, and we finally got him. Obviously, I would have shown you some images of where he appeared during, you know, that little segment. So yeah, let's take a closer look at this McQueen now. So yeah, we can see here, he's got this headset and this nice determined expression, as you can see. The 95 is there underneath the microphone piece, as you can see as I zoom all the way in. We got the headlights there on top, Rust-Eze bumper ointment medicated rear end formula. The rear end formula is quite blurry, as you can see here. And obviously we've got medicated and there's a little bit of white there, which I did remove. You see here is expression as well. Just looks incredibly cool. I'm gonna zoom out so it doesn't get too, you know, grainy for you guys, but that does look really cool for sure. I just can't believe Mattel done this. Wow. Going over to the side, we can see he does have the Cars 3 sponsors, Piston Cup, Ultimate Gain, RPM, Revolting, Clutch Aid. They are just so bad, like so bad, it's unbearable. But the light year tyres now have the yellow trim on the inside. So if I get a previous, Thailand Lightning McQueen here, I'm going to zoom out a little bit. You can see he doesn't have that yellow trim there. So that is really interesting for sure. So yeah, you can see a lot of differences. Obviously the yellow trim is the best feature of course as well, besides the headset and the expression. Here we can see the 95 and the lightning bolt. Obviously it is very different as well, and we can see the fuel cap here on the back. The tyres are also different as well, obviously, except for the yellow trim, which I have talked about. You can see how much more grainier they are on this McQueen compared to this one. And obviously taking a close look at the sponsors, obviously we have the Booster Cup Ultimate Gain RPM, Revolting and Clutch Aid. And yes, this is obviously a Thailand version of McQueen, I should really say, as you see. And this is the China version of McQueen, made in the 328th day of 2025. So wow, we're in March now, and this guy's been produced in packaging, or at least fully finished, for quite a while now. We've still got the Lightning McQueen signature on the top, the 95 as well. Obviously the McQueen signature on both sides. You can see a close look at the headset here. Rust-Eze logo on the back. Very interesting. Rust-Eze medicated rear end formula. Again, we can see Rust-Eze medicated bump ointment well on the back, with it's holding down the spoiler. And here is a look at the other side if you are interested. Just looks really cool. And you can see here he is connected to the mouth, I believe, of this. Yeah, so you can see it's connected to the mouth instead of like to the side where it used to be. Obviously the headset is nice and silver. Obviously it's not chrome silver like the previous reds we used to get. Yeah, this looks really cool. So yeah, there is that guy. We have the Thailand McQueen here. You can just see the difference in the expression. We also have a Vietnam McQueen, which I got in a bundle, hence why he's a little bit lopsided, damaged there on the bottom. And obviously we have the original May 1st Cars 3 McQueen here. So yeah, these are all the McQueens that I have. Well, there's loads more. I have a green version, I have a white version, I have a yellow version, but those are all fake factory customs. Oh, feel free to screenshot. You know what? I'm going to pause this and then take a picture. This just looks really cool. The picture has been taken, and now it's time to take a close look at this Rust-Eze Cruz Ramirez. Obviously, we know where she appears in Cars 3, right at the end during the Florida 500, where, spoiler alert, she wins the race. It would have been so much better just to include the track damage version. I mean, we haven't had this one back since 2021, only released once, so it would have been cool to see her back, obviously, again, as a new China variant, but, yes, this Cruz is actually a new variant. So if we look at the Cruz here from Thailand, which I don't know when this was, but this was at least a few years ago, the one we've been getting, her mouth has now been painted in. So that is a really cool bonus for sure. And the yellow is a very different colour. Like, you could probably clearly see it on camera, but sometimes it is very difficult to pick it up. Let me turn off my light here to see if you... Oh yeah, look. Let me move my hand out of the way. The white one is definitely a lot better. But now I'm going to turn my light back on, and we'll just finish with the comparison. I love the new expression. The eyes are also a lot lower down, as you can see here. They're very interesting for sure. The lights. So we're going to have new China on the top, the 2026 release, and whatever this release was. See the different colours in the rims here. Like this is like a dark red, this is a brighter red. The 95. Ooh, is that a chip in the middle of the 9? Yep, that's a chip. Great quality control material, never, disappoints me. Got the exhaust pipes here, Rust-Eze, Cruz, yep. It's pretty much the same. Maybe the Thailand one is a little bit better, because if you look at the 5 here compared to the 5 here. Is it textured? No, it's not textured, so it's still printed onto the die cast. So yep, we have the backs here, Thailand and China. Interesting stuff for sure. 95. Really cool. Obviously you can see just how bad the COS logo is there. You know, even the China one looks a little bit better, even though it's smaller. I'd rather not read it than try to read it, like here, COS, compared to that. I mean, we know what it says, but even on this China version, you can't read it at all. So that is actually better. Here's a look at the other side comparison for both of them, if you are interested, of course. And here is a look at the bases. I don't see any differences, but here is the base of the Cruz. Oh, look at that code. That is really interesting. 3195EAA, made in the 319th day of 2025. So yeah, that is pretty much the end of the review. Actually, there is this original version of Cruz as well from China. As you can see, there we go. Just to show you guys quickly, very quickly. Original China will always win it. I do like the new expression on Cruz, or at least I do like the fact how they finally decided to print her mouth on. There is one more thing that I wanted to say, and I can't forget to show you guys, is the mini razor of, you know, headset crew chief Lightning McQueen as well. Just look at these two. Isn't that cool? I mean, I wish they painted his mouth in, because that mouth looks very weird on McQueen. Yeah, there is a look at the mini racer. Just wanted to show you guys so I didn't forget. Let me know in the comments below what you think of this 2-pack. Is it going to be the best release of 2026? And until the next video, which will probably be literally tomorrow on the case unboxing, peace everybody.